Hi everybody, this is Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Marty back in here with us today, and he's still suffering from this shoulder thing, and then it'll get better. Then it kind of comes back from traveling around and golfing and stuff, and so we're going to work that knot out and whatever else we can find. Ready, Marty?
Oh yeah.
Face down. And Marty usually comes in here about once every couple months or so, or once a month. Just kind of depends on his schedule and everything. He's always happy to get in here when he can, right?
Oh yeah. Probably should get in here a little bit more often.
Okay. Right here's, look at his legs. Right one's about a ½ inch short. Good. Pick it up, and it stays short. Okay. Here you go. Just relax your elbows here like that. Let's see. That's pretty brutally tight right there. Mm-hmm. But the left side's the worst one?
Yeah, the left side's really been hurting a lot.
And it's coming from down in here?
Yeah, kind of like right in there, and then like I would say like parallel, like into like the shoulder
too.
Yeah, like right
out
in there. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Right there's a huge knot, huh?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yep. Oh.
And Marty's always got like some trigger points going on, so we always work on these for him. Is that too hard?
No. No, completely fine.
Let's see. And this is usually on the left side too, mostly right down here.
Yeah,
that bad boy right there.
There it is.
Have you been rolling it out some?
I have, yeah. Typically, with that, like, you know, a lacrosse ball or whatever.
Yeah.
But
golf ball.
yeah, if I can't get in there with that, then typically I'll grab a golf ball and bring some tears to my eyes. Yeah.
Has this been bothering you a lot lately?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yep.
Hips down here. Oh. Just relax. Yep. Oh. Yep. Right here. Good. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, just relax. Oh yeah. Did you feel that on your knee?
Yep.
Yep. Relax. Oh man.
Oh.
That was gnarly.
Yeah.
What about this stuff down in here? That's like super tight.
Yeah. You started singing right there.
Ooh. Oof. You're right in there, huh?
Yeah.
Man, what about this side? Probably the same?
Yeah, oh yeah.
You just can't even help. That's involuntary?
Yeah, I can't. Like, that just kind of like moves like that.
Oh. Just try to relax a little bit here. Around this hip joint a little bit. Is this one sore? That IT band?
Yeah.
Right in there. These are kind of, this is all kind of tight in here, huh?
Yeah.
All kinds of tightness. Oh, there. Just relax. One more here, yep. This side, yep. Oh. That was my wrist. How's that feel when I push right here?
There's like a little pain, like in like, you know, the I'd say like here, you know, but
Yeah.
it feels like good. It feels like it's stretching almost.
Does it feel like it could pop or not really?
Yeah, I feel like it'll probably pop more like it stretches apart almost.
With the RingDinger?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll definitely pop with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna twist it a little bit here.
Oh.
Alright. Wait. Sideways towards me this way. There you go. Alright, let's straighten this lower back out here. I'm just gonna stick this right here. Okay. Just kind of relax there. Oh. Very good, very good. Right, yes. Yep. Okay, good. Alright, other side. Oh yeah, very good. Alright, let's see here. Oh man. One more. Yep. One more, just like that. Yep. Good, good. Alright, on your back. That right there?
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, that feels like.
I don't even know what that thing is, you know?
It feels like, I would say that's your first rib right there. It comes from T1, which is like right here.
Yeah,
it's
exactly where it hurts.
This bad boy right here is sore too.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, and then this whole area, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Just totally relax, just like that. Oh yeah. What about your hands? Any problems with your hands at all?
No, not really. Like
numbness or anything? No?
No, like I mean, like I broke this wrist in like high school and stuff.
Yeah.
But I mean, not too much.
That nerve, you don't feel that coming from the neck all the way down? Just
no,
to the shoulder?
Yeah, it's just to the shoulder. Like sometimes, like my like pointer fingers and stuff will like hurt whenever I'm like gripping a golf club.
Yeah.
But it's like I don't know if that like stems all the way from that before, because then I can kind of feel like if I take like that middle finger, it'll like I can feel it pull all the way like in my elbow and stuff.
So it has something to do with that.
Yeah.
It could be that nerve irritated, and sometimes the nerves can just be irritated too, just kind of for no real reason.
Yeah.
Like something you ate or some type of allergies or hay fever or anything like that. Like they call it brachial neuritis, and it's just the inflammation of the brachial nerves which go down through your arm. And sometimes they just get flared up. And other times, you know, it's because they're kind of getting pinched or because you strain them or overuse it. Relax. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's the farthest I've been able to go.
Yeah.
In a little while, that's for sure.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now I hear the right one feels a lot tighter.
Mm-hmm.
Was there an injury here at any time?
No,
really?
not
This one doesn't even really bother you?
No, this is just the one that grinds, so
Yeah,
it doesn't
I
really
feel that.
Yeah.
And this one's like going way back.
Yeah, it just feels like it's just kind of like dangling there.
Is there a difference in muscle tone here? Not really?
Not too much, I don't think.
No, I don't think so. Not too much. Just relax. Stretch that. You feel that?
Yeah.
A little pop in there? Good. I got Wes really good the other day.
Yeah, that felt good.
Look this up here. There you go. Head up. Just relax. I got you. Yeah. Right here. Here, yep. One more time, just relax. Yep. Okay. Do you feel that one? Good. There you go. Face that way. Oh man. Oh. Alright. Like that. Just relax.
Oh.
Very good. Oh. Oh, here, hang on a second. Let me get, see if I can't get underneath this bad boy. A bit here. Ooh. Now, does it hurt up in here too?
Not like where your fingers are, but like where you put your thumb, like on the outside, like.
Oh, the outer.
Yeah, great.
Ooh, yeah, right.
Holy shit.
All through here, huh?
Yeah.
Just try to let it relax. Yeah. How about up in here? Like up like this?
Yeah, like in there.
Or is it more like on top of the ribs, you think?
No.
So it kind of hurts under it, right?
Yeah, like not necessarily like under it, like right where you're at, like right where that is. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And then back here too, like crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Big time up in here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna kind of stretch this out a little bit here. Just relax. Ooh. Ooh. Relax. Straight up. Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh man. Is that okay?
Yep.
Ooh. Back like that. Range of motion's not bad. But I'm gonna get you one right here. Oh, yep. Feel that? Yeah. Alright. Come on over here now. Sit right there, laying back. Here we go. Alright. That's your favorite part.
Yep.
Alright, 1 second. There we go. Okay, just relax. That might be too tight.
That's a little tight, yeah.
How's that?
That's good.
That's perfect right there.
Yeah.
Alright. Just relax. Breathe through your nose. Oh, yes, sir. Yep. Did you feel that one?
Oh.
Oh, he's still kicking too.
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Wow.
Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah. That one finally felt like that part of my neck, like really like they were trying to get finally released.
Good.
Oh, baby. I feel like I'm back. Wow. Yeah. I've been waiting on that one.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I was sitting at my desk trying to pop that thing for like a week.
Ever? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you go. Alright, get you like that. Alright, just relax. Lay back, bend your elbows together. I think we already got everything
Yeah.
like that. Yep. But let me shoot here. Yep. Yeah, just relax. Yep. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let me see here. Yeah, kind of take your chin back. Oh yeah. Is that all right?
Yeah, feels good.
Look behind you, kind of like all the way back. Tip your head all the way back as far as you can. Oh yeah. That's okay.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Very good. Very good, Marty.
My man. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Anything you want to say to our viewers about your experience?
Come see the guy. That's all I gotta say.
Very good. Thanks, brother.
I appreciate it.
God bless. Yep.
Oh my God.